What is up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Anati Valika, and I'll be hosting you. And this is Hot Off the Streets, an entertainment news bulletin. You already know. And if you're new to the channel and are not subscribed yet, honey, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are highly appreciated. And please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment and share, and also don't forget to ring your post notification bell. So diving into the hot and exciting ones this week, South African Hip Hop Awards nominees 2022 are announced. The biggest hip hop awards in South Africa are back with this year's nominees announced. The awards ceremony will take place on the 6th of December 2022 at the Lyric Theatre in Gold Reef City. Blackie has the most nominations from his songs and features with artists such as Tato Soul, A-Reece, Maglera Doughboy, Lucas Raps, KO, and a few more also have several nominations in the various categories. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot of female rappers on the nominees besides the obvious best female category, which is why we have decided to do our very best as Nice Entertainment to promote and discover female artists moving forward until we start to see a lot of them getting nominations. So here are some of the nominees for Song of the Year. On our first spot, we have Sneaky by Blackie featuring A-Reece. And secondly, we have Kwenzekile by Blackie featuring Madumane. And then on our third spot, we have Star Soft by DJ Slick featuring MT, 25K, and Flo Jones Jr. And then on number 4, we have Se De Unsete by KO featuring Young Stunner and Blackie. And then number 5, we have Shodangami by Loki featuring Blackie. And then number 6 is Asbonge by Majesties featuring Casper Nyovest. And lastly, we have Never Ride by Mash Beats featuring Tato Soul and Maglera Doughboy. And then for MVP of the year, we have AKA on number 1 spot, we have Big Zulu, we have Blackie, Casper Nyovest, and KO. And then for best female, on the number 1 we have Gigi Lamaine, My Girl. And number 2 we have Indigo Stella. On number 3 we have Mani Badu. And then on number 4 we have Tristed SLK. And lastly we have XC Legacy. And then for best male, we have Lucas Raps on number 1. And number 2 we have Maglera Doughboy. On third spot we have Tato Soul. On number 4, we have Tyson Cybertelli. And then on number 5, which is the last one, we have Zuki Coke Dope. You can view more categories and nominees on the South African Hip Hop Awards website or our social media platforms. Again, this is Hot Off the Streets brought to you by Nice Entertainment. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss a thing in the future. Peace.